Welcome to another episode of Decor Zone, your go-to destination for furniture design inspirations. Beginning a journey into woodworking can be both exciting and daunting. For newcomers, understanding the requirements and benefits of beginner woodworking projects is essential to fostering a rewarding experience. At its core, woodworking requires a combination of tools, materials, skills, and knowledge. As a beginner, it's crucial to start with the right tools that are manageable and affordable, ensuring that you can complete projects without feeling overwhelmed. Basic hand tools such as saws, hammers, screwdrivers, and measuring tapes are fundamental. Additionally, power tools like drills and sanders can significantly enhance efficiency, but should be approached with caution and proper training. Understanding the types of wood available is equally important. Beginners should familiarize themselves with softwoods and hardwoods, recognizing their distinct characteristics and uses. Softwoods like pine and cedar are often more forgiving for novice woodworkers due to their ease of cutting and shaping. In contrast, hardwoods like oak and maple can be more challenging but offer durability and a refined aesthetic. Knowing how to select and work with various types of wood will enhance the quality of your projects and deepen your appreciation for the craft. Hello there again. Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of small woodworking project ideas for beginners. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Safety is another paramount requirement in woodworking. Beginners must understand the importance of wearing protective gear, such as goggles, ear protection, and masks, particularly when using power tools. Familiarizing oneself with safety protocols and the proper use of tools will build a solid foundation for a lifelong woodworking practice. Establishing a clean, organized workspace is also essential. A clutter-free environment reduces the risk of accidents and allows for greater focus on the task at hand. Once the foundational requirements are established, beginners can explore the myriad benefits of woodworking projects. One of the most immediate advantages is the development of practical skills. As you engage in woodworking, you will learn essential techniques such as measuring, cutting, joining, and finishing. These skills are not only fundamental to woodworking, but are also transferable to other DIY projects and home improvement tasks. The hands-on experience gained through practice enables individuals to grow more proficient over time, boosting confidence and competence. Moreover, woodworking can serve as an excellent outlet for creativity. Each project presents an opportunity to express personal style and innovation. Beginners can experiment with different designs, colors, and finishes, allowing for a unique interpretation of each piece. This creative process can be incredibly fulfilling, providing a sense of ownership and pride in the final product. The satisfaction derived from bringing an idea to life is a powerful motivator that encourages continued exploration and experimentation in the craft. Another significant benefit is the therapeutic aspect of woodworking. Engaging in hands-on activities can serve as a form of stress relief, allowing individuals to focus their minds and hands on the task at hand. The repetitive motions involved in cutting, sanding, and assembling can create a meditative experience, promoting relaxation and mindfulness. In an increasingly fast-paced world, finding moments of calm through woodworking can greatly enhance overall well-being. Additionally, woodworking fosters problem-solving skills. As you embark on projects, challenges will inevitably arise, requiring you to think critically and develop solutions. Whether it's figuring out how to join two pieces of wood or addressing an unexpected issue during the build, these moments encourage adaptability and resourcefulness. Developing these skills not only sharpens your woodworking abilities, but also enhances your overall capacity to tackle challenges in everyday life. Building small projects can also cultivate a sense of accomplishment. Completing a project regardless of its size or complexity, provides a tangible outcome for your efforts. This sense of achievement reinforces the idea that your hard work and dedication yield results, which can be particularly rewarding for beginners. As you complete more projects, the confidence gained from each success will encourage you to take on more ambitious endeavors in the future. Furthermore, woodworking can create opportunities for social interaction and community engagement. Many woodworkers enjoy sharing their creations, techniques, and experiences with others, either online or in person. This sense of camaraderie can lead to valuable connections, friendships, and opportunities for collaboration. Participating in woodworking clubs, local workshops, or online forums can provide encouragement, guidance, and inspiration, enriching the overall experience. Engaging in woodworking projects can also lead to financial benefits. While there is an initial investment in tools and materials, creating your own items can save money in the long run. Handmade pieces often have a higher perceived value, allowing you to sell items or create gifts that carry personal significance without the cost of store-bought alternatives. This can be especially appealing for those looking to generate supplemental income or create unique gifts for friends and family. Moreover, woodworking promotes sustainability and environmental consciousness. By creating items from natural materials, you develop a greater appreciation for the resources involved in crafting. Beginners can explore using reclaimed wood or repurposing materials, which not only reduces waste, but also encourages creative thinking. This sustainable approach fosters a mindset that values resourcefulness and environmental stewardship, aligning with modern practices that prioritize eco-friendly solutions. As beginners gain experience, they will also cultivate patience and perseverance. Woodworking is a process that often requires time and attention to detail. Mistakes will happen, and projects may not always go as planned. Learning to navigate these challenges fosters resilience and a sense of commitment to seeing a project through to completion. This skill can translate to other areas of life, where persistence and dedication are essential for success. In addition to personal growth, woodworking can also enhance one's living environment. As beginners create functional and decorative items, they can infuse their homes with unique touches that reflect their style and personality. Handmade creations add warmth and character to living spaces, distinguishing them from mass-produced alternatives. The pride associated with crafting items for your own home can enhance your connection to your environment, making it feel more personal and inviting. The journey into woodworking can also serve as a platform for lifelong learning. Each project presents an opportunity to explore new techniques and expand your skill set. As you gain confidence and proficiency, you may choose to tackle more complex projects, furthering your understanding of the craft. This continuous learning process can be incredibly rewarding, fueling a passion for woodworking that can last a lifetime. Lastly, woodworking can help cultivate a sense of legacy. As you create items that can be passed down through generations, you contribute to a tradition of craftsmanship that holds sentimental value. Handmade pieces often carry stories and memories, becoming cherished heirlooms that connect family members over time. This aspect of woodworking reinforces the idea that your creations hold importance beyond their immediate utility, enriching the lives of those who come into contact with them. In conclusion, the requirements and benefits of beginner woodworking projects are extensive and multifaceted. By investing in basic tools and materials, prioritizing safety, and establishing a clean workspace, newcomers can embark on a fulfilling journey into woodworking. The skills developed through practice, combined with the creative and therapeutic aspects of the craft, foster personal growth and resilience. Moreover, woodworking creates opportunities for community engagement, financial savings, and environmental consciousness. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked small woodworking project ideas for beginners. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.